how to star or unstar a text message on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or S25 Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, open up the text messages app. In here, open up the text conversation. And from here, we scroll up or down and then touch and hold on the text message that you would like to star. So for example, right here, congratulations message, I will touch and hold on that. Then go to the top and tap on the star button. And this will favorite your text message. This will allow you to later on quickly locate your favorite or star messages. So if you want to find all your star or favorite text message, you can go in here, tap on the top, tap on the more button at the top, then tap on start, and this will filter out all your star messages. And that's it. To unstar, just simply tap on the star icon right next to the message, and that will unstar your star messages. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.